Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Monday. Today we're going to do a pre-plan with me in my Recollections Planner for December 28th through January 3rd using the Almost Midnight weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. Make sure to check out the links down below for this weekly kit, the haul, and the base plan with me, as well as the latest memory spread video. And with that said, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, this is it for the plan with me or pre-plan with me for the week of December 28th through January 3rd, the first and last week, because it's kind of like split through the week. It's a very boring week, as you can see, but yeah, this is what I know, because especially the weekend is up in the air right now. So this is it. I used the Almost Midnight kit from GoldPaperPrints. Everything will be linked down below, so make sure to check that out for the weekly kit, haul, and everything else. Just as you can see over here, I have 5 videos going up this week. This is going up on Monday the 28th, so happy Monday. And then I have video every day. So yeah. Have a great Monday, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I do post regularly Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with sometimes a bonus video on Tuesdays. I do try and do 1 to 2 hauls every month and post that on Thursdays. So make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Hope you guys enjoyed this very quick plan with me. I know, again, that there's not a whole lot going on right now, but it's more than likely going to fill up very quickly once I know exactly what is going on. And yeah, so stay tuned for the memory spread of this week, the following week. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Alright guys, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!